Today we'll be looking at one-time use commands in Ultra Customizer. Begin by going into Customizer, going to Commands, and creating a new command. I'll call this Test. Go to your command and add the has permission element, and put in the permission you want them to have. In this case, I'll use test.canUse. That means only people with the test.canUse permission can execute the things on the has permission side. Here you'll put whatever script you want them to do only once. In this case, I'll send them a message. After you've done the script, if you haven't already, you're going to want to get the player name. Afterwards, you'll use player command ignore perm, type in, and use whatever permission plugin you use as command to remove a permission from someone. In this case, I use uperms. So I'll type in upc remove player permission, then the player name, which in this case is %1, so it's whoever executes the command, and then the permission, test.canUse, meaning that after they execute this command once, they'll no longer have the test.canUse permission, and they'll go to the does not have permission side, where you can put a message that tells them they've already used this. Make sure the permission you select to be the default permission for the command is in your default group, so people are able to do it once before the permission is removed. That's all. See you next time.